Good morning. All of the kids slept really well last night. Jackson woke up this morning and he said, "How did you sleep, Aunt Bonnie?" I said, "Really good. How did you sleep?" He's like, "Good. I woke up a few times."
So break leg, it means like good luck, and it means break a leg to get in the cast, the like broken cast and like the play cast.
What? Where did you learn such a thing?
Boston Tony.
And since when did you listen to Boston? Good morning, Jackson.
Sorry, it took us a while. We had there was a huge branch and we had to cut it since it fell off the huge tree. We had to use a pipe saw.
Where did you find that?
Grandpa's.
Is that Grandpa's or Dad's?
It's Grandpa's, since I couldn't find any other saw.
So you were just cutting, okay. The older two are mowing the lawn this morning. They're almost done. Tell me you're the youngest without telling me that you're the youngest. Tell me you're the oldest without telling me you're the oldest. See, I was a middle child, so I'm the best of both worlds. So I come over here to get a banana, and I was like, oh, I have blueberry bagels. And I was like, did I buy 2 things of blueberry bagels? I don't even want to pick this up. How fuzzy and moldy. Where did that moisture come from? Where did that moisture come from? This is horrifying. Go. I went down in the basement to check on the kids because Joel fell asleep. It's like 8:45. And all the boys have fallen. Well, when I say all the boys, I mean Lincoln and Boston are dead asleep. Pitch black in the basement because all the windows are down. And they just exhausted themselves. And I was like, where are the other 2 kids? These kids have been outside the entire day. Oh, I was looking for you. I was seriously looking inside the treehouse and I was like, where is Jackson? No. Okay, Cody, you have work in the morning, yeah. So it's time for bed.
What time is it?
It's getting close to 9.
Okay. Here, do the thing where you stand up and just fall. Okay.
Jeez Louise. Okay, let's go in. But everybody else is asleep, so we've got to be quiet.
I almost had a cream cheese. Mom, guess what this song is from? No, it's... Oh, Jackson, your shirt. Ah, dang it. Like,
hum it while you do it. What's it from? Tell me.
The Wii Sports.
And plus
the what?
The Wii Sports.
Oh.
So we watched Aunt Ellie's video, and the guy kept on hitting his head on like a doorpost, and they replayed it so it sounded like do 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 do.
Have I converted you from a toasted bagel to a microwaved bagel?
Yes, you have.
They're completely different. Okay, toasted bagels, they're great. They're fantastic. But a microwaved bagel for 30 seconds, delarche. Yeah, it's fantastic. It's a real vibe killer when we got to turn the radio off to film. You showing Jackson around?
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you think?
Oh, there's Olivia and Cody.
Cody's at work still. And Olivia went and I think she's over playing with the neighbors.
Stop, did she find a friend up there? Show me what you did today, Joel. It's wide. You don't notice how tall a door is going to be until it's in. So here's the guest bathroom door. That's exciting. Joel said that hanging 8-foot doors is challenging for the shorter.
Yeah, 5 feet would be good.
Oh, I like that. Let's look at this reveal. If you watch Joel's door video, you'll know what a reveal is, even so far all the way down. My, if I ever saw a perfect reveal on a door. Do you? Are you working on this one still?
No, but I'm just looking at it. Just that bottom little piece. I can see it's tight.
Okay. Oh, do you also have to check reveals? Oh, I see. Like between the door and the jamb. Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah, because
look,
the paint will stick.
Yep, and look, that one's touching on the bottom.
Yeah. So I just gotta tack that one in.
Yeah, I can see.
So this door, I had to like screw to the. Most of them I can tack, but this one, like the gap is kind of big, so I had to like lag it in. This door's not going anywhere, and the lags are like darn near hidden.
So when we have a tornado, come to this door.
This house will fall apart, but this door, not going anywhere. Not going anywhere.
I'm not sure what gave you the idea that I'm strong enough.
I promise you are. I promise you are. Put your hand when you carry this one. Put one hand like here or something, and one hand like under this. That's not coming off. You're not going to grip that off. It's screwed in. It's not that heavy, I promise. Okay.
I'm not going to hold where you said.
See? Okay. See how it's not that bad? We can stop whenever you're ready. Wait, take a break. Okay.
Okay.
Where's Lydia?
Hold on. Oh. Hey, Mary. Okay. I'm being a real good helper and the camera person.
Show thing.
Okay, hold on. Let me set this camera up somehow. Okay.
Hey, you're going to swing out this way.
Oh, we're going into the office?
You got to go in this room.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so you got to go out and around.
It's getting heavier.
Pivot!
Pivot! These are the biggest doors in the whole house, aren't they?
This is the biggest set of doors in the house, yes.
Indoor door, right? Yeesh, why did the office have such a big door?
Because this might be our bedroom eventually.
Yeah, when we're old and we can't go up the stairs anymore, this will be our bedroom.
Right. I'll put my stuff in the garage. You can have this.
When we're old, I'm going to need one thing. I'm going to need like...
Just hangers for moo-moos?
No, I'm going to need...
Ponchos?
Yeah, I'm going to need one moo-moo, one sweat outfit, and one dress for church. That's all I'm going to need.
I'm going for Dickies one-zip suits.
Yes.
Khaki. Maybe blue.
Ooh, blue's really, yeah.
Well,
both.
No, khaki for daytime, blue for special occasions.
Ooh, I like the way you're thinking.
If I'm wearing the blue, it's a party.
It's time to go. We got to take Jackson home.
Why are we screaming like you were dying?
Or at least to his grandma's.
That's the second home.
Well, I was doing it so then he would try to find me, but not. It sounded like...
You'd let him know that Mom said it's your turn, okay? But say it nicely. I did already. Okay. It's Lincoln. I'm gonna give Lincoln a turn on the bike. You can come hang out with me. I got it. This one's battery is dead. Do you know how to charge a battery on it?
Don't start it.
Do you know how to do that?
On your dad's phone.
His is out front. Lincoln wore pants specifically so he could ride the dirt bike because I told him he can't ride it if he's wearing shorts. So he wore pants today. We're gonna end the vlog by cleaning out our car. I did not know that when you're at the, like, you know, this place, that you can do your mats. You hang them on the wall and you do your mats. Look at those things. And fun fact, I've never done this on my own before, so we're gonna see if I can figure it out.
Just put your money in and then
Put my money in?